Imagine a massive star exploding, creating a giant supernova. You'd expect a deafening roar, right? But here's a curious fact. Space is eerily silent. Why? Because sound needs a medium, like air or water, to travel, and the vacuum of space offers none. Without molecules to carry vibrations, sound fades into nothingness. But here's the twist. Space isn't totally mute. Astronomers use advanced tools to translate electromagnetic waves, like radio signals, into something we can hear. That's how the eerie songs of black holes or the whirring pulses of distant stars are revealed. So outer space doesn't roar, it whispers through data. Next time you look up, remember, even silence can carry a story. Fascinating, isn't it? Follow for more amazing science facts.